Hello YouTube. I just found a snag in my plans of supercharging the Taurus. So I'm going to be going over the issue, and I'm going to ask if anyone can help out. If anyone has any ideas, to leave it in the description. Now I was going to use a supercharger kit from Tom Moreno Racing. It's just basically an intake adapter that replaces this plastic intake with a aluminum adapter, so I can bolt the Eaton on top of that. Here's a picture of it right here. Now the problem was not that it was going to fit, because I found out it will clear the fuel rails. I just got to remove these brackets here and relocate them, but the fuel rails itself has plenty of room. The issue is this keeps the engine from rocking front and back. Now with this here in the front, there's no way I can make the supercharger work, because the nose will go right here, and as you can see, it's supposed to go across the belt, across the supercharger, back down through the idler pulley. So basically I just need just a little bit longer belt right around the pulley of the supercharger. But with this in the way, that's not going to work. And there's hardly any room. As you can see here, you maybe got about that much room between the belt and pulley and the inner fender well of the car. So I'm going to have to figure out how I can either modify this, maybe make it where it angles out and then back, boom, right there, so I'll have room for the pulley, or just eliminate it and put something else. I'm thinking about the best way to do it is to try to modify this bracket, make a custom bracket here, something that I can move this bar out a little bit more, out this way, boom, and then back down this way. Because if I don't do that, there's no way I can make this supercharger work unless I relocate the supercharger, and that's going to be a lot more fabrication. So that's my issue. You have any recommendations? You know anybody that put a supercharger on one of these 4th generation or older Tauruses with the Vulcan? Leave your opinions, links, or whatever in the description. I can sure use your help. Thank you.